morning everyone, I hope you are all well. You can probably tell from the title of this video that begrudgingly, is that the word? This is my last video before a little maternity leave. I always hate doing these. I hate stepping away, hate taking my foot off the pedal. I love engaging and interacting with you guys. It's something I live for, and it always just feels really weird to take a step back from that. It felt very weird last time, but then again, last time I really felt like, what am I coming back to? Will anyone even be there when I come back? And this time I have the last experience to learn from, and I know that you guys will still be here when I come back, hopefully. So I feel more positive about that, but it's time to take a little break. I think when you're watching this, I'm gonna have 2 weeks till I have this baby or something. It also is good timing because I'm pretty sure today Anna is uploading her welcome back video. We did not time this, it's hilarious. Anna's back from her maternity leave and I'm heading off onto mine. So, you know, guys, we don't leave you without any content. I thought today I would do a vlog with lots of different things in it because I know it's your favourite type of video. I'll end on a high. I've just been writing a to-do list for today. Today is one of those very, very rare days where Rich and I are both around. He's not working today. I'm not really working other than this vlog because obviously it gets to a point where you can't commit to any jobs anymore because you know you're going on mat leave in a couple of weeks, and working with brands takes a lot longer than 2 weeks. So I haven't really got much work to do, and Gray is at nursery. So we are just gonna get a lot of stuff done today that we need to get done. We're slowly getting there and starting to feel ready-ish for the baby. Loft-wise, it's still chaos in our house, but a lot's gonna happen over the next 2 weeks, and just kind of ignoring that for now. We're meeting some industrial cleaners today to get a quote for them to come and deep clean the carpets, probably the day before I'm having this baby, just because I don't want to bring him back to a really dusty house. I need to film this video and edit this video. We would like to batch cook. I don't know if it's going to happen today because I forgot to order the containers for the freezer. We might make a soup because I've got some soup bags. We need to start batch cooking. We haven't even started at all, and this time not only do we need food for ourselves, but we need food for Gray. I know people will bring stuff around maybe in the first week, but after that they won't, and we just don't want to be cooking all the time. So we're just going to try and batch cook some stuff. I've written a list of things that I thought would be good for batch cooking. You know, a lot of the kind of mince meat based meals like shepherd's pie bolognese, lentil shepherd's pie, courgette sauce for pasta, meatballs tomato sauce for pasta or rice, a fajita mix, minestrone soup, chicken soup, sweet potato squash soup, barley soup, chicken and veg curry, beef and veg curry, chickpea curry, chicken casserole, spiced chickpea bowls, cauliflower curry, quinoa stuffed peppers, green mac and cheese. Lol to my past self who wrote this list. It's 2 weeks before I'm having this baby. I haven't even made one thing. No chance, but at least it's kind of recipe inspiration. Rich has just gone now to go and pick up the underlay for our laminate flooring for the loft, because I think they're doing the flooring tomorrow, which is mega exciting. That is going to make such a difference. It means that we can actually take some of the boxes and furniture that we have down here upstairs and cover it in the middle of the room. Can't wait to see what the floor's going to look like. I think we need to go to Ikea to pick up a cot and a mattress. It's not actually for us. The baby's going to have Gray's cot when she's in a new bed in the new year. And until then, he'll be in the next to me crib, the snooze pod. But we need a crib for my mum's house, a cot for my mum's house, because Gray has learned how to climb out of the travel cot. We stayed there on the weekend and she kept running in and out of the room till 10:30 p.m. It was a nightmare. We tried to get her to sleep in a bed and it just was a disaster. So we're gonna buy a cot. It'll be helpful for the next baby anyway, and probably go around and have to build it at my mum's. So that might take a little while. This list is very unrealistic. I need to buy some sparklers. It's fireworks night in 2 days. No, tomorrow. Don't know. But I think we're doing little sparklers in the garden for the kids. We've got lots of parcels that we need to return. We need to pick up a parcel from the post office. Pack up products for my mum's friend who's doing a charity sale for an amazing charity called Ret UK. You should look into them if you don't know. She does a Christmas beauty charity sale with any of the products that I don't use. We need to change over our buggies. So we've got 2 yo-yo buggies now. We've got Gray's pink yo-yo, and then we've borrowed my sister's black yo-yo. And what I was gonna do is I was gonna just use my sister's black yo-yo for Gray if we ever need it for the nursery run or something, and I'm gonna turn Gray's pink yo-yo into the baby bassinet one. But Gray has like become really attached to this buggy, and she keeps saying like, my pink buggy. So we're gonna have to switch the pink buggy to the black buggy and the pink buggy to the baby buggy. And it's like, we've got a lot of like buggy switching around to do. And then it says, sort out boxes in bedroom. That's a boring one. We've got a box of technology stuff in my bedroom that we need to just like downsize so we can store it better. Basically, that's our day. I've just been sitting here having breakfast. I had some toast and peanut butter. I've been listening to podcasts. Yeah, feeling ready for the day. In terms of how I'm feeling bump-wise, I don't know if I've got that SPD thing. I don't know exactly if it's that or not, but I've definitely been suffering with like quite a lot of pain I didn't have last time. Like, it's like underneath my bump, it's almost like shooting dagger pains, like when I walk. So that's quite uncomfortable. I feel like I don't really fit into any clothes, and I'm just struggling to get around a bit at the moment. My bump's definitely bigger than last time because I've got stretch marks this time. I got so cocky and I thought I didn't get stretch marks last time, must be genetic, and I'm starting to get stretch marks. So I've like got back on the moisturising train. Serves me right for getting cocky. And I'm just having to wear tracksuit bottoms today because my only leggings that fit are in the wash. I think my hospital bag is done. I need to like look at it again. It feels like I don't really know what's in it, and I feel a bit disorganized. But I'm getting really excited. I'm excited for the newborn stage, which is weird because first time around I think it's really daunting. I think it's really hard, and I know it will be hard in different ways. But I'm excited to like appreciate it more, knowing that it like passes so quickly, and just getting like all the little newborn cuddles in will be so cute, and seeing Gray with him will be so cute, and just being really chilled with visitors this time. I'm like, whoever wants to come. I would happily use the extra pair of hands. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, first boring task of the day is to transfer everything, if I want to keep it, from this box into this box, which is smaller, and we can store it in Gray's wardrobe, because this is just getting very annoying living in our bedroom now. Opening some parcels, and Hush sent me this coat. I love it. It's their 8th birthday. Is it 8th or 18th, Rich? What does it say on that little card? 18th. 18th? Wow, that's much more of a big deal. It's their 18th birthday, and they sent me this little coat to celebrate, and I love it. It's actually at a 14, so it's like a size up from what I would normally wear. They obviously knew that I'd like it a bit oversized. It's like a puffer coat. It's got a hood. Oh my God, I love it. Love, love, love. Rich is going to kill me for having another coat in the wardrobe. Also been sent this diptyque set, Bay, which is my favourite scent. Oh my God, it's a diffuser. It comes in this gorgeous glass bottle. It's got the diffuser reeds, and then it comes in this like reeded glass. I'm definitely going to save this for the loft. It's going to look so nice in there. Okay, we've come to Ikea. We know the location and the aisles of everything we need. We're going to go in, we're going to get a cot, mattress, a sheet. We're going to go straight to my parents and build it, and it's just going to be done. It's going to take an hour and a half. That's my plan. I don't know if it's realistic. Oh my God, my trousers are so tight. I'm wearing non-maternity trousers, and they do not fit. This is the cot we're getting from my parents. 35 quid or 40 pounds. Lovely, minimalist, done. I wonder if this raises actually for when they're little. Rich is just trying to find the mattresses and stuff. All right, here it is. Is it just that one?
Yeah. And then 07.
What's the other bit?
Mattress.
£90 for a cot mattress, a cot mattress protector, and a cotton sheet. I think that's pretty good. Okay, now to my parents to build the cot via sushi because I'm hungry. We forgot to bring my parents' keys, so we're driving all the way home to get the keys. On the way, got some sushi, starting with some avocado maki. We got so much. I haven't had sushi in ages. Yeah, now we're gonna go get the keys and then quickly go make the cot, hopefully. These are fukujinzu, I think it's called, just basically pickled radish. I'm obsessed with these. Oh, sorry, went under a bridge. Another one of my absolute faves is a wakame salad. It's like a seaweed salad. Okay, we're here. Let cot building commence. I'm very good at Ikea instructions, so I'll sit and be in charge of instructions. Rich will build. Actually wasn't that difficult, so we're just rearranging this room a little bit. I'm gonna put the cot over here by the wires. That sounds safe. I really need to move this Wi-Fi hub. It's the stupidest place to put it. Okay, once we've figured out the wire situation. Perfect, woohoo! Okay, we are home and we've got a lot of stuff done from our list today actually. Rich is just going to the dump now because we've got so much cardboard and stuff that he needs to take there. Every time I say that, people who aren't from the UK think I'm saying that he's going for a poo. We call it a dump here. What's it called everywhere else? It's like the place where you go and take like excessive amount of rubbish. So you have your like rubbish bins, but then if you have too much and it doesn't fit, you go to the dump where they take like cardboard and glass and materials and it's all like sectioned. Why am I talking about the dump? Anyway, when he's coming back, we are gonna do some cooking. I'm gonna make minestrone soup. He's gonna make Jamie Oliver's green mac and cheese. But I think I'm gonna end the video here because it's getting dark. I always forget about winter. Like it's 2 o'clock and I've got all the lights on in my house. It's so weird. It's gonna be really weird having a newborn in winter. It's just such a different experience to last time. When I had Gray, we were in the garden the whole time. She was in like barely any clothes. And like when you have a toddler, winter is so weird because you kind of have to get all your activities done in the morning because the afternoon is just so dark and like miserable. I'm just procrastinating because I don't want to end this video. It feels weird to say bye, but thank you guys so much for all of your lovely support and kind comments and everything throughout this pregnancy. Can't believe I'm gonna go have another baby and I'm gonna be a mum to 2 kids. It's gonna be crazy. So many people say the jump from having no kids to 1 kid is like more shocking because it's all new, and like this time around I won't be as shocked by it, but I think the jump from 1 kid to 2 is just full on. Like it's no longer 2 adults to 1 kid. It's like 1 each and there's like always 1 there. Hopefully we will adapt, hopefully we will love it, and hopefully everything goes okay, and I'm really excited to meet him and see what he looks like and just everything. What can I tell you in terms of like when I'm coming back? I think I'll be on Instagram. Like I can't imagine I'm going to totally disappear from Instagram. Like I love it too much. And you've got so much time anyway when you've got a newborn. So I reckon I'll be on Instagram a bit. If you don't already follow me there, I'm at Pebbles. And in terms of coming back to YouTube, it'll be sometime in the new year. Where are we? November, December, like maybe the end of Jan or something. I think I'm going to get FOMO of that kind of like January, New Year. I love that feeling when you come back after Christmas and it's like fresh start and you want to like get into work. So I reckon I'll get a bit of FOMO and probably want to come back a bit earlier than I did last time with Gray. We shall see. But yeah, that's all for now. Thank you guys so much in advance for all your nice comments that I know you're going to leave on this video, and see you soon. See you in 2022. Is it 2021 now? Yeah, see you in 2022. Bye. Mwah.